In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the footer height on your Wix website to create a more streamlined and polished look. Pulling this off can be a fantastic way to customize the appearance of your site, offering a cleaner professional edge to your web pages. So let's walk through the process together. First things first, we're diving into the Wix editor. If you aren't already logged in, you'll want to do that now. Once you're in, navigate to your site and open it in the Wix editor. This is your creative playground, where you have the power to finesse every element on your web pages to fit your brand perfectly. To make changes to the footer, scroll to the bottom of the page where the footer section is located. Remember, the footer is where you typically have essential information such as contact details, links to your privacy policy, or even social media icons. So it's important to ensure it's both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Once you've located the footer, it's time to select it. Hover your cursor over the footer area until it is highlighted and then click to select it. You should see a border appear around the area indicating it's ready for editing. Next up, we'll be adjusting the height of the footer. The goal here is to scale it to match the visual style of your site, ensuring everything is balanced and visually engaging. Position your cursor at the top edge of the footer until you see a double-headed arrow appear. This tool will allow you to resize the section. Click and drag the footer's border upwards to decrease the height. Be sure to keep an eye on how the elements inside the footer are responding to this change. If it's dragged too far up, some content might overlap or become misaligned. This brings us to our final step, adjusting the content inside the footer. With the new, smaller height, you'll want to tidy up the contents to ensure everything still looks cohesive. Click on each item within the footer, be it text, images, or icons, and reposition them as needed. Some content might need resizing or a slight nudge to fit nicely into the new space. Take your time with this, as a neat and organized footer can make all the difference in how visitors perceive your site's professionalism. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, don't forget to save your work. You can do this by clicking the Save button at the top right corner of the editor and take a moment to preview your changes in the website's preview mode. This will give you a sense of how it will appear to visitors when they browse your site. And there you have it. You've successfully resized and adjusted the content within your website's footer using the Wix editor. With these simple tweaks, you're enhancing not just the aesthetics of your site, but also its overall effectiveness. Thank you for following along and happy editing.